Hello viewers, in this video we will learn about Williams Alligator Indicator. The alligator is a technical analysis indicator developed by the late, iconic Forex trader Bill Williams. The Williams Alligator Technical Analysis Indicator can be used to discover the absence of a trend, or trends that are beginning to form, and traders can utilize this information to make decisions on when to enter or exit the market. The alligator indicator has three lines. In default, the three lines are in red, blue, and green color. The red line is known as the teeth while the blue line is the jaws. The green line is known as the lips. The alligator indicator is created with three moving averages. These are simple moving averages set to 5, 8, and 13 periods. These three moving averages created the jaw, lips, and teeth to create the alligator. The jaw blue line is a 13-period SMA and teeth red line is an 8-period SMA, and last lips green line is a 5-period SMA. Once you place the alligator indicator to your chart, you will start to see these moving averages and how they either come together or begin to widen, depending on if the price is trending or in a range. And you will also get information about how the jaw, lips, and teeth work together. You can use this information to find new trades and manage your existing trades. But do remember, in a period of low volatility, when the three lines are close together, it is usually a sign that the price will make a major move upward or downward. And due to the intraday trends, many traders find the alligator indicator to work well when trading Forex. Alligator indicator trading is based on the assumption that markets mostly range, move sideways, and move only in trends about 15 to 30% of the time. The longer the market has been ranging, the more prominent the subsequent trend, which is where traders can potentially make the most profit. It helps to identify and confirm trends, as well as possible reversals. The alligator indicator strategy can identify range markets. When the lines are closer together and intersect each other multiple times with no clear direction, it infers that the alligator is sleeping. In that case, even if the lips cross upward through the other lines, it is not advisable to take any positions just yet. Now let's see buy and sell signals from the alligator. For buy signal we should look out for two conations. First, all three lines are significantly separated. And second, the price is above the lips, lips above teeth, and teeth above jaw, or simply, red line above the blue line, green line above the red line, and price above the green line. If both conditions satisfied, then you should take a buy trade. And for sell setups, there are also two conditions. First, all three lines are separated. And second, the price is below the lips, lips below teeth, teeth below jaw. If above two conditions, satisfied, would mean that the currency value is dropping and you can look for sell opportunities. But this strategy can become even better if we put one more indicator along with it. So, we will add MACD along with it to get our trade more accurate. So as you can see, we have added MACD indicator in chart. Now we will find buy and sell trades with the help of two indicators. Now look at this chart. As you can see, the alligator is sleeping, and in MACD both lines are very close to each other and zero line as well, so we can accept big move in any of direction. Now we will first look for buy setup. For buy setup we will look for two conditions in alligator. First, three lines are significantly separated, and price is above the lips, lips above teeth, and teeth above jaw. And in MACD we should watch out for bullish crossover, means MACD line cross the signal line from down to upward, and this crossover take place above the zero line only. So at his candle all over conditions fulfilled, so we will take buy trade at this candle, and our stop loss would be low of our entry candle. So as you can see, our profitable trade comes to UN end with our desired target. Now we will look for sell setups. For sale setup we would look out for two conditions in alligator. First, all three lines are separated. And second, the price is below the lips, lips below teeth, teeth below jaw, and in MACD bearish crossover below the zero line, so at this candle all our conditions fulfilled. So at this candle we take sell trade and set your stop loss at high of your entry candle, and profit target would be 2 times of your stop loss. So as you can see, your profitable trade comes to an end. Now let's see one more example of buy and sell trade. For buy setup, as we can see that Alligator is in no trade zone since pretty good time, and MACD line is trading nearby zero line, so we can accept a big move. As we can see here, a bullish crossover happened in MACD but below to zero line, so we will wait for both MACD line to reach above zero line. And in Alligator, we can see at this point price started its upward journey above the green line, so we will take entry at this candle, and our stop loss would be low of our entry candle, and profit target would be 2 times of our stop loss. So as you can see, our profitable trade comes to an end. Now let's watch for sell trade. For sell trade, see Alligator is in no trade zone, and in MACD both lines are very closer to the zero line, so it is advisable to wait here, but at the same time there is a strong chance of direction change. So whenever we see bearish crossover in MACD and price started its downward journey below to green line, we should prepare for sell trade, and at this candle we will take sell trade by putting stop loss at high of our entry candle, and profit target would be 2 times of our stop loss. So friends, we have reached at the end of the video. I hope you all like the video, so be sure to hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more knowledgeable videos like this.